Hey girls, what are you doing?
Rolling.
You're what? Oh, you're rolling?
Yeah.
What time of the year is it?
Yes, it's the purple.
What time is it?
It's the,
Is it Christmas time?
yeah.
Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Don't eat that.
But almost.
What are you making?
Almost. We're making cookies.
Yeah!
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
We're gonna have wheezy saliva over half of it.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm
We're related.
lighting. Ah.
We just
We're
have
not
to
gonna eat
make.
them yet. They have to go in the oven and get really warm, and then when they come out, we can eat them.
We'll just have to make sure we don't give these to anybody.
Hey.
Oh,
stop.
I caught that on video.
I just eat it, just a little bite.
Yeah, don't eat little bites of them until after the oven. Okay. And when it gets released to Roy, and I'll have to at least have 1 out of 3 be wheezy germ-free.
Those are good odds.
I'm not rolling.
Keep rolling.
Here, you girls want to see something cool? Watch this.
Whoa! They're all rolling all over the place.
It's no longer a ball.
Are those crazy cookies?
Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em. Okay, they're all ready. Now I need to get a cookie sheet.
No.
Okay, don't take them off.
Don't touch them for a minute.
You need to run these games all the time. It's $200. No. There's no stand up and checking. The back pieces one more time.
Okay, don't touch. Don't touch.
Crazy.
Oh,
Girls, don't touch.
no.
Lucy, put it down.
Please.
Put it down, please. Thank you. Lucy, stop touching them. Look what Mommy's doing. What's Mommy doing?
Okay. Now, I want you to put them on here. One right there. One right there. One right there.
Every other thing that Wheezy does, and then there's a lick of the fingers. So if she doesn't bite
Okay, that's it.
there,
Look.
we put 12 per pan.
We can play them.
No, not yet.
No, put it down. We're gonna eat them. I'm gonna go put these in the oven. Okay?
See, watch. Look, watch what Mommy's doing. She put them in the oven.
Time for 8 minutes.
Okay, put them down. No, we can eat them after they come out of the oven.
Okay. Don't touch these. These are all done. Don't touch them anymore, okay? Please. Please wipe her off.
Yeah. Okay.
Really don't lick your fingers.
Say bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye, future family.